prototype ADC actually is from HER2-positive breast cancer within the breast cancer space, and that's TDM1. And TDM1 has provided incredible clinical benefit to our patients, and is now being followed by a number of ADCs which look very promising. They differ slightly in the chemotherapy agent that they're partnered with and the drug-antibody ratio. And there are several frontline contenders that are in phase 3 trials at present. One of them is a compound made by Daiichi, which is trastuzumab with a HER2-directed antibody with a novel irinotecan-based payload. And this drug has a very high drug-antibody ratio. It's like, I believe, 8-to-1. And it's very interesting, actually, because this drug appears to have activity not only in HER2-positive breast cancer, but also HER2-expressing but non-amplified breast cancers, like HER2-low breast cancers. And the drug has an interesting side effect profile in that it does have some chemo-related side effects, but to a much lesser degree than would be expected otherwise if it was not a targeted chemotherapy drug. These include neutropenia and other cytopenias, as well as nausea. However, generally the drug appears to be well tolerated, and it's currently in a set of trials called the Destiny trials, which are looking at this drug in the phase 3 setting. The other ADC I'll be profiling is SYD985, and this is a compound similarly with a HER2-directed antibody with another payload. This drug also looks promising and is being investigated in the TULIP trials.